Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a bouncing ball animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to make a bouncing ball animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Now here I will make a bouncing ball animation like this. First, enter our PowerPoint on a computer or laptop. Now here it is on the PowerPoint workpage. Next, we make the stairs. Enter the Insert menu. Tap to Shapes. Select Freeform like this. Then we use the cursor to make stairs like I did this. Adjust the number and size to your needs. After the stairs are made from shapes, we enter the Format menu. Tap Shapes Fill. Down, select Texture. Select according to what you want. I choose this. Go back to the outline shape. Select No Outline. Go to the Shape Effect menu. Down, select Buell. Select an effect like this. Then go back to the Shapes Effect menu. Select under 3D option. On the right side, the Input menu is visible. With Change 34. Height, change 11. Width, move 6. Height, move 5. Well, here it's done. And move and adjust next. Add ball. Enter the Insert menu. Select 3D models. In the search type, Ball. Select the ball you want. Tap Insert. Set the size and position of the ball like this. Then give Animation. Enter the Animation menu. Select the down arrow. Select More Motions path. And scroll down. Select Bounce Right. And tap Insert. Well, here on the animation line, dance moves to the bottom end. And then tap Right. And select Edit Path. We set the path as I did. Make it curved so that the moon reflection is good. After finishing editing, we run it. Well, here it's running, but we have to set the duration. On the top right. On Start. Change to with Previous. And on Duration change to 5. Well, it's done. We run PowerPoint. So here we can see the results. So that's it. Tutorial how to make a bouncing ball animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.